This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to draw the BMW M4 G82. Begin by lightly sketching the car's overall rectangular shape, focusing on its general proportions. Next, establish the car's length and height with a light pencil line, ensuring a balanced perspective for your drawing. Then, mark the approximate positions for the wheels and the base of the windshield. These initial lines are crucial for setting up the entire drawing accurately, so take your time here. Now, let's define the iconic body lines. Carefully outline the distinct grille and headlight shapes, paying close attention to their unique angles. Next, draw the aggressive hood lines that flow into the prominent fender flares, giving the M4 its powerful stance. Then, refine the side profile, including the door lines and the sleek window frames. These details truly bring out the car's character, so observe your reference closely. Moving on to the wheels and key features. Sketch the circular wheel arches, ensuring they align with your initial guidelines, then add the intricate wheel designs, capturing the spoke patterns. Next, carefully place the side mirrors, door handles, and the fuel cap, paying attention to their scale. Finally, draw the rear bumper, the distinctive taillights, and the quad exhaust pipes, which are a signature element of the M4. These smaller details add significant realism. For the final touches, apply shading to create depth and highlight the car's dynamic contours. Use darker lines for shadows under the car and within the wheel wells, and lighter strokes for reflections on the body panels. This contrast will make your drawing pop. Add any remaining small details like emblems or vents. For an enhanced reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link in the description, along with other great deals. Take a step back and admire your finished BMW M4 G82 drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.